Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about seeds and plants. Did you know that fruits are parts of a plant? They are. All fruits have seeds, and they come in all different shapes and sizes. Some of them are very, very small, like the strawberry seeds. They're on the outside. They are so small, you might need a magnifying glass to really get a good look. Most other seeds come on the inside of the fruit, like the lemon, the avocado. Look at that seed. And pumpkin. These are pumpkin seeds. As you can see, different shapes and different sizes. So most new plants, they need seeds to grow. So today we're going to listen to a story called Seeds and Plants by Amy Haynos. And this book is going to take us to the journey of a seed. Let's see what the seed turns into. Are you ready? Seeds and Plants by Amy Haynos. Seeds and plants. Most new plants grow from seeds. Seeds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are so tiny you can barely see them, and others are as big as a ball. Here we see 4 different kinds of seeds: rice, watermelon seeds, acorn, coconut. Which one is the largest seed? Correct, it's the coconut. Look how big that is. And which one is the smallest seed? Good, the rice. Very good. Seeds have 3 parts. The first one is the seed coat. It protects what is inside, just like a coat that you wear on a cold day. See, that's the seed coat. The second part here is the embryo. Inside the seed coat is a baby plant. That is what we call the embryo. And the third part of the plant is the food supply. There is a supply of food for the baby plant to start growing. See, here we have a picture of a seed, and it's already in the soil. The seeds do not have to start growing right away. They can wait until time is right. They must be kept in a cool, dry place while they wait. To germinate or to start growing the seeds, they need water, oxygen, and warmth. So by warmth, we need some sun. Okay? Those are the 3 things that we need. What are they again? Water, oxygen, which is air, and warmth, which is the sun. We have the seed. The seed takes in water until the seed coat breaks open. The root starts to grow, and the stem starts to sprout. As the seedling starts growing into a plant, the stem grows up towards the light. The roots grow down to the soil. See, what do you notice with these 3 plants? How do they look different? Well, it shows us how it's growing. See, it gets getting taller and taller. The plant takes in water and nutrients from the soil. Green leaves begin to grow and take in light from the sun. Plants make food for themselves from the water, the light, and the nutrients from the dirt. And here you have the seed that has cracked open and fallen off of the leaf. They no longer need it. Some plants grow flowers. When a plant has plenty of stems and leaves, then it can start to grow flowers, like this one you see here. Look at that big flower. The flowers burst open in bloom. Bees and birds carry the pollen from flower to flower. When they do this, they are fertilizing. See? They fertilize the eggs that will be part of the new seeds. So they're creating new seeds. So bees and birds are very important, and we should always let them fly onto different flowers. As the flowers die and the fruit begins to grow, the new seeds form inside the fruit. The life cycle of the plant is complete, and the new life cycle is ready to begin again. So notice how the flower has died. But what do we see underneath the flower? Something is growing. Can you guess what it is? It's a pumpkin. Very good. You see? That's another flower. And when that flower dies, a pumpkin will start to grow. So for every flower that you see in the pumpkin patch, that's a new pumpkin that's ready to grow. So pumpkins are so heavy that they grow on the ground. And the stems, they just keep growing along the ground with them. On a vine. They're so heavy they can't grow up. So how many of you guessed it was going to be a pumpkin? Just like the pumpkin that we have here. And to think it all came from a seed like this. Very good, boys and girls. And that was the end of our story. So let's just review. See how one tiny seed can take us to the life cycle. It sprouts. It gets nutrients from the soil. The leaf gets sun. Flowers bloom. And the bees and the birds, they send the pollen from flower to flower where they create new seeds. Then the flower dies and the fruit begins to grow. Then it's full grown and the cycle is complete. Now you're ready to eat your pumpkin. And what's inside a pumpkin? You're right, seeds. The same seed you will plant again. And the cycle will keep going and going. And that is how seeds help plants to grow. Now, maybe you have fruits at home. So maybe what I want you to do is sometime this week, next time you eat a fruit, look for the seeds. Is it tiny seed? Like the strawberry? Maybe you want to cut a lemon and help your mom cook. Look for the seeds. Or maybe you're going to have some avocado. Save the seeds so you can show it to me. If not, maybe you can draw a picture of a fruit and what the seeds might look like. You might also try apples or oranges. Okay. What fruit will you try and what seeds will you show me? I can't wait to see. Make sure you post them. Until next time, see you later.